The aim of the new children's area is to make everyone feel welcome while encouraging exploration and learning. After entering through the tiny door, our smallest patrons will find themselves surrounded by bookshelves arranged to draw them in further, offering glimpses of the play castle. This castle is designed to fuel imagination and bring magical adventures to life. When kids come to play, the castle will be stocked with all the toys and equipment needed to bring a kiddo's fantasy adventure to life. To keep things new and exciting, themed playsets will be rotated in throughout the year. Notice the colorful pipes that wrap around the room? These whisper tubes allow secrets to pass from one side of our picture book corridor, past the early reader and Spanish collection, all the way to junior fiction. Another addition to the space is the ever-bright light installation. This interactive light wall engages the senses and captivates young minds. If you're looking for a book to listen to, the children's area has playaways and CDs to thrill fans of audiobooks. Don't miss visiting the secret reading nook hidden on the wall behind the bookshelves, where your kids can curl up with a new or favorite book and let the outside world fade away. Don't miss the new Storytime room. Storytimes were so popular that we needed a new space to accommodate all of the children and their caregivers. We also added special lighting to help with sensory sensitivity. We're excited to offer this space for our patrons to stretch out in.